Another warning.
Osceola in
Flood
Volusia.
warning.
Flood
flood.
warning in effect until 12:15 p.m.
For
Eastern Daylight Time this
Orlando.
afternoon. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where a portion of East Central Florida, including the following counties,
Eso es un tornado que está.
Osceola
Eso es vivo.
When
Ahorita.
until 12:15
Sí,
p.m.
está
Eastern
un tornado
Daylight
ahorita.
Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 10:41 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Titusville, Rockland, Cocoa Beach, Cape Canaveral, Wedgefield, Port St. John, Lone Cabbage Fish Camp, Sharps, Titusville Airport, Merritt Island, Christmas, Port Canaveral, Mims, Flaylanda Beach, Haulover Canal, Canaveral Groves, Vera, Jetty Park, and Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles